How to delete Indeed account. If you'd like to delete your Indeed account, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. What we have to do is just launch the Indeed job search app, and this is the interface that you'll be able to see. Tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then you'll see all these options. Tap on the three lines or the menu icon from the top right hand side. Then scroll down and just look for the option that says Help and tap on it. From the Help tab, scroll down and select the option called Contact Support and tap on it. Then once you contact the support, you basically have to request them to delete your account. So here you can see Submit a request. How can we help? You can simply select any of the other options over here. For example, you can select account verification, advertiser, disabled account, and so on. Once done, in the description tab, you can just type in that you are trying to delete your account and that you need some help with it. And that way you'll be able to delete your Indeed account. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.